Dear students, today I am going to discuss mechanism of acid dehydration of alcohol. This one is very important reaction. Now, as we have read that ethanol on dehydration gives alkene and water. Here we have taken ethyl alcohol and dehydrating agent is H2SO4 at higher temperature, that is 443 Kelvin, gives alkene and water. Now instead of H2SO4 we can also use concentrated H3PO4. Now in this reaction, first of all, H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4 dissociated into H plus ion and HSO4 minus ion. Now the mechanism of this reaction occurs in 3 steps. Now the first step, here in first step protonated alcohol is formed. So formation of protonated alcohol, this is the step 1. Now here you can see this one is ethanol CH3 CH2 OH. As you know that in ethanol oxygen atom is there, and you know that oxygen contains lone pair of electron, it having 2 lone pair of electrons. So as we have seen that H plus ion so formed, this one attack on electron rich oxygen as electrophile. So H plus acts as electrophile. Here it rich of electrons, 2 lone pair electron. So H plus can easily make a bond with oxygen atom. So as the bond is formed, there is a scarcity of electron at oxygen. So you can see that a positive charge is developed on oxygen atom and H is attached with oxygen. You can see here. So this is protonated alcohol. We can name it as ethyl oxonium ion also. So here ethyl oxonium ion formed. Now in step 2, this molecule, you can see this molecule oxygen gets positively charged, and as you know that oxygen is highly negative element, electronegative element, and electronegative elements there is a positive charge. As a result, what happen, this water molecule eliminate. You can see this one, elimination of water molecule. So water molecule eliminated, since here need of electron to satisfy the positive charge, so this carbon will give the electron. As a result, a scarcity of electron occurs at carbon atom, so carbon atom becomes a positively charged. So here carbocation is formed. Now this reaction, this step is very slow step, hence it is also called rate determining step. But in the first step it one was a fast step. So this is the rate determining step, slowest step. So we have seen that carbocation is formed. So step 2 is formation of carbocation. So you have seen that carbocation is formed and water is eliminated. Now as you know that carbon is positively charged. So in step 3, the adjacent carbon which bears hydrogen atom also, so this hydrogen leaves and the electron, these 2 electrons are used to make a bond between carbon and carbon atom. So as a result, H plus ion left and alkene is formed. So here ethene is formed and H plus ion removed. Now here we have seen that from alcohol to alkene 3 steps occur. First step was formation of protonated alcohol. You can see here protonated alcohol formed. In step 2, carbocation formed, and in step 3, ethene is formed, alkene is formed. Now H plus ion so formed, this one H plus eliminated, and this H plus ion again react with HSO4 minus as formed earlier. In here you can see that this H plus HSO4 minus ion takes H plus ion to form H2SO4. Now here question is that we have taken 1 degree alcohol, since ethanol is 1 degree alcohol. This one is 1 degree alcohol. Now if you will take 2 degree or 3 degree alcohol, then what will happen? Which one is more reactive? Your answer is 3 degree alcohol is more reactive. 3 degree alcohol is more reactive than 2 degree and 1 degree. Why? Answer, you know that 3 degree carbocation is most stable than 2 degree, and 2 degree is most stable than 1 degree. Therefore 3 degree is more stable. So all of you know the carbocation and their stability. So this is the mechanism which I have discussed. I hope you will practice it. Thank you very much.